Hi, and welcome to Pro FBO Pro MRO for Acumatica. Pro FBO and Pro MRO are embedded add-ons for Acumatica tailored for the aviation and the maintenance, repair, and overhaul industries. Today I will be demonstrating how service profiles can be combined to create a quote, which can then easily be converted to a project, which may be called a work order or job depending on your industry or business model. Estimating using service profiles helps provide consistent quotes and gives you the flexibility of making changes based on the margins and customers' requirements. First, let's go to the opportunities and process an estimate using service profiles. I've already set up an opportunity estimate here for chocolates by design. So let's go to the Service Profiles tab, and here we can see I've already added a service profile to this estimate. The service profile has the service profile ID, which will become the task ID on the project once this is converted, and the description becomes the task description on the project once this is converted. The quote group ID is just a way of grouping your quote lines, and you can change these IDs to whatever you need for your industry. Accepted means that the customer has accepted this service profile on this quote, and this can be converted to a project. The optional checkbox can be used to indicate to the customer if this is an optional item that you're estimating or if it's a requirement. The cost budget reflects all of the costs associated with the cost budget tab. The revenue budget column shows the revenue budget for that service profile, and the margins are going to show you the margin between the cost and the revenue budgets. So let's go ahead and add another service profile so you can see how easy it is. All we have to do is click Add Service Profile, and then look at the list of service profiles available and select one. So that brings in the service profile, including the revenue budget and the cost budget. As you can see, the cost budget is made up of the labor and material and other expenses. And the salesperson can see the margins and make any corrections or updates here, or if the customer wanted to add a part or something like that, you can do that here. We're going to go ahead and save. We also have access to the service profile work order instructions, so if there were special instructions from the customer, we can add those here, and the shop would get those instructions. Now that we've set up our service profile estimate, we're going to go ahead and convert this to a project. So as we can see here, there is no project code associated with this service profile or with this estimate yet. So we're going to go ahead and click Actions and Sync Project. And then a project is created automatically utilizing all of the information that we've entered on this quote. We can go directly to the project by clicking the pencil. Once we've opened the project, we can see that the tasks that were on the estimate have come through on the project. The revenue budget that was on the estimate has also come through on the project, and the cost budget has come through. And that is how you utilize service profiles to create a customer estimate and convert that estimate to a project. Thank you for joining us.